Chiron is an augmented reality training system that accurately portrays the visual and audio cues for rare but important conditions. Using a smartphone or other mobile device, Chiron uses computer vision technology to transform an ordinary 3D object into an Ebola patient. Let's take a look at an example. In this case, we have constructed an object that looks similar to the head that you might see on a mannequin. We chose this object because much of the current training for first responders uses mannequins, and we see Chiron as a complement to existing teaching approaches. For this demonstration, we are representing the progression of an Ebola patient over time. At time 0, the patient is in a healthy state. Skin tone and color appear normal and healthy. Breath sounds are normal and not at all strained. Now, as we move the slider bar forward to time 1, we can see some changes in our patient. The skin takes on a slightly sweaty and clammy appearance. The breathing is slightly strained with a little gurgling in the background. Now let's take another leap forward in time. Here, the patient's skin has begun to take on a slightly yellowish appearance, and the beginning of a rash is evident. The eyes are reddened, perhaps suggesting the progression of a hemorrhagic fever. And in this last time period, we can see that the skin rash has become far more extreme, and the patient is bleeding from eyes, nose, and mouth. Breathing at this stage is extremely labored. This patient has entered the later stages of the disease. Part of the power of this tool is that the learner experiences the condition in a way that feels more personal and real than traditional training approaches. And a scalable library of content provides the learner with the breadth and depth of cases that make learning memorable and robust. Chiron can be used in classrooms, laboratory settings, or in live exercises.